Welcome back, soldiers, to another Ponke update. Today is March 5th. It is 1:53 a.m. on the West Coast. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do not make investments based on what I say in these videos. All right, check it out. Ponke is trading at 0.0569 USD. That's a market cap of $28.4 million. This is the daily chart. We're going to do a quick overview. So day one launch, it pushed up to roughly $35 million market cap, around 7.5 cents on like $40 million in volume, 10,000 holders day one. It was the most impressive launch I've seen to date on a meme coin. So check this out. It sold off to like $5 to $8 million market cap range. Accumulation happened there for 14 days straight. Pushed up on coinciding volume up to this 5-cent range. It wicked up once. It's the daily chart. It wicked up once, twice, 3 times. 4th time's the charm. Look at that at the bottom on coinciding volume. And then it pushed up to all-time high, which is like $60 million market cap, 11 cents. Now, when it was pushing up from 4 cents, the breakout point right here, to 11 cents, that's a 180% move. It was happening rather swiftly. I don't know if you guys remember it, but it was fun times. And I think there's a lot more fun times in the future. Also, to note, Ponke at a $1 per token would be a $555 million market cap. Ponke at a $1 billion market cap is roughly $1.80, $1.90, something like that. So just to give you an idea of what that would look like. And I think it's going to $1 billion market cap minimum, me personally. Is that a guarantee? No, anything can happen. But I just think this is one of those coins, all right? So when it was pushing up to like 11 cents, I remember thinking like it slowly started to dawn on me, and then it like really clicked. Ponke could hit escape velocity and just be gone, go to $1, go past $1, like rather quickly. It could do 100% daily candles back to back to back. It could do that. It has that potential. And I really honestly think it almost did that when it was pushing up to 11 cents. The only thing that's missing is the normies, the retail. I hate the term normies, but I'm just going to continue using it until I can think of something else. But people that are not like in crypto every day, right? So once they get into it, I think it's going to hit, hundreds of $millions of market cap very quickly. And it's not really going to have many pullbacks. That's what escape velocity is. It's like the buying pressure overwhelms any selling pressure that's happening at all. All right. So that's all it is. There's just a ton. It's heavier buy pressure than the sell pressure. All right. But it's at a rate where you're not even getting like 50% pullbacks, nothing crazy like that. You might get like a 10% pullback and then continue upwards. So that's escape velocity, basically straight up. All right. And I think Ponke, I think you are going to see that. I don't know when, but I think it will happen. I think this is one of those coins that has that potential, and it's a pretty rare quality to have. So yeah. I think there will come a point where it's like, nah, this one's not even coming back, it's just going straight up. So then after that, you got to sell off to this 2 cent to, really 2 to 5 cent range. Kind of an ugly double bottom, but double bottom nonetheless, or backwards Adam and Eve, whatever you want to call it. But it found support at 2 cents, neckline at 5 cents. And now you're seeing that 5 cent level get flipped. So it was resistance. And then bam, broke through. Not the best volume, like relatively speaking to the previous volume candles or bars or whatever you want to call it down here. But yeah, you had that breakthrough, and then it retested right here and then shot up to 7.5 cents. So this 7.5 cent level, I've had that there for days, if not a week or two. And how do we know that that's a significant level? Well, you look left. You always just look left. So you're just looking at what's happened in the past to give you an idea of what is likely or probable to occur in the future. That's technical analysis. All right, so right here, it wicked up to 7.5 cents, but most importantly, day one all-time high right there, 7.5 cents. All right, that's how I know that it was going to be a significant level. All right, so currently, this is the 1 hour. So it's making kind of a funky pattern, to be honest. Let's throw on the 30-minute. All right, so you had this sell-off from 7.5 cents to 5 cents. It had like this rectangular pattern. I wasn't sure what was going on here at all. And then it just shot up to 632, that resistance level. Came back down to the 5 cent level. So this is basically just a double bottom. All right, with a neckline at 632, came back down again. Probably gonna retest. If it can break through this, it'll flip resistance to new support. And then if it can break through 7.5, flip hold resistance to the new support again, and then push up to all-time high. So that would be a favorable scenario. But these are the levels you got. You got 5 cents to the downside, 632, which is the immediate resistance level, and then 7.5 is the key resistance level. If 7.5 gets flipped, it's gonna magnetize towards all-time high, which is 11 cents. All right, so that's what I'm looking at for the chart. You have this space coming up at 5 a.m. Oh, it's not too far away. So in 3 hours, you have this space with BitGet and Print and Bitcoin Cats One Cat. They're going to be giving away $500 in Tether, 10 winners. I don't know if that's 10 winners each 500 or 10 winners 50. Probably $50 each winner, 10 of them. So all you gotta do is follow BitGet Global, retweet, like, tag your pals, join them in the space. I will definitely be listening into that. So that will be a great space if you want to listen in. There's been some big alpha dropped on previous spaces, so I would check that out if you are interested in Ponke. Love you guys so much. I'll see you for tomorrow's update. Peace.